I was going to watch some races.
Right.
I wasn't even recording.
Then I go to the casino.
I wasn't even recording.
You weren't even recording?
No, I thought you pressed the button for
No.
me.
Angela?
So you can. It's a little gamble a little bit.
There you go. Just have to do my little chores around here, and that's it. Might go give me a little workout in too.
It's always good.
I had to Lafayette. One of the guys at work plays in a band. So I got some people from work on, so I'm gonna watch.
Nice.
For a little while anyway.
You swimming here?
You can. We used to. I mean, I used to have I made a little pontoon with some drums. Just put a little platform on top of it, tied them together, and just let it hang out there. And then when the kids were young, they swam a little bit, you know. But
Aaron ain't getting into it.
no. And then we got a little pool, a little above ground pool, so they don't swim. Yeah, I guess you could.
I think I'd be scared to stuff it.